The Internet of Things, or IoT, is expanding in nearly every industry. In this film, we will look at the benefit of connected products and IoT, and why more and more leading companies and businesses start connecting their products. The main drivers are often to reduce costs, improve operational efficiency, and increase overall customer experience. One of the most important reasons is that companies can reduce costs. With a connected product, troubleshooting can be done remotely, which cuts both labor costs and solves issues quicker. There is also a big cost savings by being able to prevent outages and failures with remote monitoring, indicating where risk is high. But connected products can also help companies to improve operational efficiency. By condition-based monitoring, service can be carried out in the right time and only when needed. Connected products means access to end-user data, which can lead to increased customer experience. Companies can now develop products on real user insights and offer new add-on value services. Another important benefit is that companies can offer faster and more effective customer service based on user data. Why mobile connectivity? Mobile connectivity is an outstanding connectivity option when connecting a large number of products, especially over a wide geographical area. It is an established, well-proven and future-proof technology and has offered high reliable connectivity and excellent service levels to companies for a long time. Another benefit is that it is very cost-efficient when considering total cost over time. It's easy to integrate into customers' processes and very cost-effective when taking service, operations, and maintenance into consideration. Mobile connectivity offers incomparable global coverage for moving assets and vehicles with endless possibilities to scale. No manual installation on site is needed, and SIM cards can be pre-integrated in customers' products already in the factory. In addition, mobile connectivity offers secure end-to-end connections based on global standards. This allows control of data access with no interacting with local networks. Telenor Connexion is a specialized and dedicated IoT unit within the Telenor Group. We are an experienced and reliable partner for global connectivity, with access to multiple mobile networks in every country. Customers can have millions of connected devices with one single point for contact and IT integration. We offer global IoT SIMs for easy industrial deployment and integration. Scaling into many markets is easy as customers only need one SIM card regardless of end-user market. We have cloud-ready IoT solutions that integrate easily into customer sales, production, and delivery processes. APIs ensure easy integration into other systems. Personal and proactive support is a key area for us. Our dedicated team of IoT specialists offer world-class 24/7 monitoring and support 365 days a year. The team stands out with their extraordinary troubleshooting skills and can solve customer issues in-house. With Telenor Connexion, companies will gain cost predictability of their IoT solution. We tailor profiles to customers' needs, and customers are able to manage and review SIMs in real time with configurable triggers to guard against unwanted traffic behavior. Nearly 20 years of experience to connect global industry leaders. Top-class service support with dedicated IoT experts. High installed base of complex international IoT deployments. And global, scalable solutions for fast and secure deployments.